All right. So I think the next, Patrick, is I'm gonna pass it on to you and let me know if I can show your screen.
Yeah.
And then we go over kind of like how you use them for futures trading. We go over your setup. We go over, for example, how you use the indicator,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
some of the best practice.
Yeah. Let's go. So first things first, because we have now new intraday levels, as you know, I make this a little bit bigger for you that you can maybe read this a little bit better. So we have now the new intraday levels, and for me, I'm a professional trader. Um, I'm working with investors, as everybody knows, and I need more power from MenthorQ because I monitor more future. So I'm starting first to think about, okay, how I can build a strategy for the MenthorQ level. So then I was thinking first, okay, what I'm needing is, so I need the end of the day futures level. So that's the normal futures levels what we get. So this is my first indicator. Then I was thinking like, okay, with the new intraday levels, what we get, so what snapshots are really relevant for me as a trader, for me as a, for my trading style. So the 7:40 7:45 a.m. snapshot, the pre-market snapshot is for me really relevant. And this is why I was setting up an indicator for the 7:45. So where I'm converting from SPX to the Dow, from the SPX to the ES, from the QQ to the NQ, from IWM to the Russell, from GLD to gold, from USO to CL crude. Then, of course, I need my blind spots indicator. So same like here. So what I'm doing is I'm converting also the ES to the Dow Jones. Sometimes because I'm an European, I'm trading also the DAX. So of course I need some blind spots for the DAX. So I'm using the ES and convert this to the DAX. I convert also to the Nikkei. So from ES to Nikkei, from ES to the dollar index, and from the ES to the VIX. I will show you this in a few seconds how this looks like. And the same for the 5-day swing indicator. So I need also the swing trading level. So I have an indicator for the swing model. So I'm using the SPX and convert this to the Dow. So the same what Fabio was saying. I have not to go to say this again, what Fabio was saying before. And then I have a second intraday indicator. So for me, it's also really relevant how the levels are looking like at 9:35, and we get also our snapshot. And if I'm trading the power hour, if I have time and not live with you, my friends, so then I'm taking also the power hour snapshot. And I'm converting this like before also. But how this looks like and how the setup is looking like on my stream. So let me share this on my trading view. Let me know if you can see my trading view, Fabio. Fabio, you see my trading view?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. So as I say, so I have first my futures indicator. So this is my first one. This is the MenthorQ levels premium. I make this now visible for you. Here I have my futures levels for you. And don't bullshit me. I have only for my setup, because I have much more levels on my chart, I have only visible the major ones. I'm not using the gags, but the gags are really good. I would use this if I would use this as a single one, but I'm not have this as a single one. And you will see why I will not using this. So I have here my end of the day futures levels. And here on the second indicator, what I was showing you, here I have my snapshot from 7:45 a.m. So where I'm converting, as I was showing you in the document before, from SPX to JM, SPX to ES, QQQ to NQ, and so on. So, and as you see, the setup works very well. Look at this, what we have here. We have here the 1-day max from the QQQ, 7:45 a.m. snapshot with the 1-day max from the futures. So I'm playing always around. And then here I have my blind spots indicator where the blind spots are. So what we can see here, we have a bunch of levels. So for me, this area is really relevant. Boom, I make this now clear. So we were speaking about how to draw your roadmap. So this is an area where I'm really interested, and it's a strong magnet area. And then I have here, as I told you before, my swing trading levels. So let's take out some other indicators. Let's take out the futures indicator. Let's take out the 7:45 a.m. snapshot. Have only the blind spots with the swing levels. So I can use this also. I get a good overview. So I'm completely flexible. So I see we have here also a great area. I will take out the drawings. And now I can go to my snapshot from 9:35. Here we go. This is always colored, so it's the QQQ because I'm now under NQ. And now I can think about what would be the best for me. I'm trying always. So now I will look into the futures. Okay, the futures 1-day max working very well. Should I also add now the 7:45 snapshot? Okay, I can do this. Here we go. And maybe I don't need the other one. I can take this out because this is good enough for me. And as I can see, I see here also some really relevant area for me. And here we go. We're building our roadmap, simple and easy. Now I'm taking out every indicator, hide the indicators, and boom, I get a really nice and smoothly roadmap. And this is how I'm playing with this, Fabio. This is my setup. So again, let's take out the drawings. So let's take out every indicator. So I'm completely flexible. Did I want to see now as an intraday trader, now the swing trading levels? Boom, no problem. I have to see on my chart. Everything is set up. Should I add now the blind spots to the swing trading areas because they're working very well together? Boom, yes, I can do this. I have also here my area. I can map this out, taking out also, or should I also use only now the snapshot from this morning? So from 9:35. Here we go. I have this. Maybe it's not enough levels for me. Maybe I should now think about adding the blind spots to this. So as you can see, we have here our area, blind spot area. Here, boom. And now I'm using this together with the snapshot from the 9:35. So I'm completely flexible, but as I said, and as I was right down in the community, it's really powerful if you build this as a system. So as you can see, I have a really system on my side. Futures, end of the day, 7:45 pre-market snapshot, my blind spots, my 5-day swing models, and also my intraday snapshots, 9:35. And if I want, I can add also the other snapshots or the power hour snapshot. But this is my setup. This is how it works. This is how I'm working with this, Fabio.
And to go back to your setup, basically, so this is kind of like what we see on the chart. So you have your end of day levels, your pre-market levels on these assets, so from indices to futures. Then you have your blind spots levels, and then you have your 5-day swing levels and your intraday levels that obviously you refresh when needed at the open and maybe during the power hour, or if you want to do it more often, you can also do that.
So this setup, what you see now on the chart, is the end of the day futures levels, so our primary future gamma levels, and the 9:35 snapshots. And now you know exactly why I'm not showing on my chart the gags, because at the end I have enough levels on my chart. And also if I click now on the ES, I can go from every ticker what I really want. It's always set up, same principle. I can go to the Russell, same principle. Boom, I can go to the Dow, same principle. whatever I want. It's needs some little time. So to be really honest, I was working on this for a full week to find out what works really well. Now I'm sharing this with you. So I think if you set this up, it needs maybe only 10 minutes. And then, yeah, so look at this. This is now the crude oil from today. How good this was working. So the white colored, again, it's the futures levels. Yeah, so that's the futures levels. Boom. That's the futures levels from today. And then I'm adding the USO, so the USO ETF to the crude oil. This is the 935 screenshot. Look at this, how nice this was working. Boom. And we came exactly here down. And where we have the next strong magnets, we have this here. Taking out the indicators. Here we go. And now I have a good plan. So simple and easy. I know it needs some time to figure out how it works, but if you was setting this up, I think it's amazing. And we can go to everything what you want. We can go also to, I don't know, the dollar index. I have this also for the dollar index. So here I have my ES levels on the dollar index. Here I have my blind spots on the dollar index. As you can see, really nice and really slow. We have also here our magnet area from the high wall to the BL5. This is a strong magnet area, as you can see before. Where we came down, look at this, BL6, very nice. We can also map out this area. And if we have this set up before the market is open, really nice and powerful. And this is how I'm setting up everything. It's amazing. Once you have set this up, it works like a Swiss knife, as I said.